In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report phishing in Gmail. Phishing emails are designed to trick you into giving away personal information or clicking harmful links. Reporting them not only protects you, it also helps improve Gmail's filters for everyone. I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish, keeping it simple and safe. First, open Gmail. You can do this in your web browser on a computer. Make sure you're signed into the account where you received the suspicious message so you can take action on it. Next, open the suspicious email. It's okay to view the message for the purpose of reporting, but avoid clicking any links or downloading attachments. If the email looks unusual, has urgent language, or asks for sensitive details, it's a good candidate for reporting. Just read enough to confirm it seems off, and then move straight to the reporting step. Now look to the top right corner of the open message for the More Options menu. This is the icon with 3 vertical dots right beside the reply button. Click that menu to reveal a list of actions you can take on the message. From the menu, choose Report Phishing. This option specifically flags the message as an attempt to steal information, which is different from ordinary spam. Selecting Report Phishing tells Google's systems to analyze the message and learn from it, helping block similar attacks in the future. A small confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to report this email as a phishing attempt. Review the prompt, then click to confirm. You won't need to type anything or fill out a form. Gmail handles the report in the background. That's it. The email is reported to Google and automatically moved to your spam folder. From here, Gmail will keep it out of your inbox, reducing the chance of accidentally interacting with it later. Reporting in this way provides useful signals to Google's security systems and helps protect other users who might receive similar messages. To recap the flow we just followed, open Gmail, open the suspicious email, click the 3 dots beside Reply, choose Report Phishing, and confirm. Keep these steps in mind anytime something feels off. And remember, when in doubt, don't click. Report instead. Taking a few seconds to flag a phishing attempt keeps your account safer and strengthens the filters that protect the entire Gmail community.